spending on AI servers is predicted to experience massive growth in the coming years as organizations across various industries increasingly invest in artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. These servers, specifically designed to handle the complex computations required for AI workloads, are becoming critical infrastructure for businesses aiming to leverage AI for innovation, efficiency, and competitive advantage. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The rise in AI server spending highlights the budding demand for AI capabilities and the significant shift in how businesses and governments approach data processing and machine learning. As AI applications expand in scope from data analytics and autonomous systems to natural language processing and deep learning, demand for AI optimized hardware is surging. Companies are expected to ramp up their investments in AI servers to support these advanced technologies, driving significant growth in this sector. The trend reflects a broader shift towards digital transformation, where AI is becoming a central pillar of business strategy. The growth in AI server spending underscores the importance of robust, high performance computing environments that can efficiently manage the increasing computational demands of AI workloads. Artificial intelligence technology is significantly driving growth in server infrastructure investments. According to reports, AI server spending is projected to skyrocket to $430 billion by 2033, a substantial increase from the $40 billion expected in 2024. This surge represents a massive leap in investment, with AI server spending anticipated to grow by over $9 billion from 2023 to 2024 alone. The rapid increase in spending underscores the critical role that AI is playing across various industries. As businesses continue to adopt AI driven solutions, the demand for specialized server infrastructure capable of supporting these technologies is expected to grow exponentially. This trend highlights the importance of robust and scalable computing environments to meet the evolving needs of AI applications and maintain competitive advantages in the digital economy. By the end of 2024, AI server spending is expected to rise by over $9 billion from 2023, reaching $40 billion. The upward trend is anticipated to continue, with server spending projected to exceed $50 billion in 2025 and approach $70 billion by 2026, with an estimated $67 billion in spending. Let's look into today's headline. The popularity of Windows 11 among PC gamers exceeds that of Windows 10. According to Steam's August hardware survey, Windows 11 has apparently overtaken Windows 10 in popularity among PC gamers, achieving a use rate of 49%. While Windows 10 decreased to 47%, this represents a 3% rise over July. The change demonstrates how more gamers are using Microsoft's most recent operating system. 2.75 lakh telecom connections disconnected as TRAI blacklisted more than 50 companies. Over the past 2 weeks, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, has taken increasingly aggressive measures against spammers, resulting in the blacklisting of more than 50 companies and the disconnections of over 2.75 lakh SIP-DIDs, mobile numbers, and telecom resources. With the intention of reducing unsolicited commercial communication, these activities are covered by the Telecom Commercial Communication Customer Preference Regulations 2018. For Indian students in the USA, UK, and Europe, Matrix Cellular introduces the 1 plus 1 EC. With the introduction of the 1 plus 1 offer, Indian students traveling to the USA, UK, and Europe may get 2 months of service for the price of one from Matrix Cellular, a global provider of communication services. With this service, students can avoid paying upfront prepaid costs and save time by not having to set up a new phone connection when they arrive. 8 NVIDIA H100 GPUs to be added to the Param Siddhi supercomputer. The NVIDIA H100 GPUs, which are cutting-edge accelerators for computational workloads and artificial intelligence, are being added to the government's Param Siddhi HPC high-performance computing supercomputer, which is a part of the Param Siddhi Airavat AI PSAI supercomputer system. NVIDIA A100 GPUs are now used to power Param Siddhi. Siddhi will be upgraded with 8 NVIDIA H100 GPUs according to a tender released by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology and the Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Reliance Jio introduces Jio AI Cloud with a free 100 GB storage offer. The Jio AI Cloud Welcome offer unveiled by Reliance Jio will give customers up to 100 GB of free cloud storage beginning on Diwali. The goal of this Jio AI Cloud Welcome offer is to provide Jio customers with a dependable and safe method of storing their digital media such as documents, videos, and images. Additionally, users will be able to upgrade the more expensive storage plans at no cost. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.